Sample problem number 3. And the first step is to read. Okay, step 2 is to draw. Let's draw the first mixture. Pure alcohol. That means 100%. The volume is not given, so we put a variable x. Plus, that's added to, so that's a plus. The other mixture, 14%. So, small rectangle, 14%. The volume is given, 24 liters. To produce, that's an equal sign. And then 20% solution. But it did not say the volume, so that's another variable. We multiply the top and the bottom, right? 100% times x, 100% times x, right? And then the other one, 14% times 24. Then the last one, 20% times y. Draw the equation left to right, add, putting an ellipse over the first compartment or the first row. Follow through the process. 100% x plus 14% times 24 is equal to 20% y. Then the second compartment, x plus 24 is equal to 1. So step 4, solve. Equation 1, simplify. 100% x plus 336% is equal to 20% times y. Equation 2, we isolate y again. Y is equal to x plus 24. Then by substitution, we substitute the equation or the value of y to the equation 1. 100% x plus 336% is equal to 20% times x plus 24. Simplify or distribute 20% to that. So that becomes 20% times x plus 480%. And then we further simplify all common terms together. 100% x minus 20% x, that's 80% x, is equal to 480% minus 336%. It becomes 144%. Then divide both sides by 80%. That's 1.8 liters. Sample problem number 4. So step 1, read. To draw. First mixture, solvent that costs 80 pesos per liter. So, as I said before, that's either the percentage or a price. So we put 80 pesos at the small rectangle. Since the volume is not given, we put a variable x. The word width is there, so that's an addition sign. Cost 25 pesos per liter, that's our second mixture. 25 pesos at the top. I could see a volume of 6 liters. And then I could see to make, which is an equal sign. 36 pesos, that's also put on the small rectangle over there. Volume is not given, so I put y as a value. That's 80 times x. Then the second one, the same, 25 times 6, and the third, 36 times y. Draw the equation. Left to right, you add them. Put end, ellipse, 80 times x plus 25 times 6 is equal to 36y. The second compartment also, 8 plus 6 is equal to y. When we simplified the equation 1, 80x plus 25 times 6 is equal to 150, 36y. Step to solve. Equation 1, 80x plus 150 is equal to 36y. Equation 2, we isolate y. Substitute the value of y to the equation 1. To equation 1, 80x plus 150 is equal to 36 times x plus 6. Distribute 36, 36x plus 216. Simplify 80x minus 36x, that's 44x. And then equal to 216 minus 150, that's 66. So x now is equal to, dividing both sides by 44, 1.5 liters. Sample problem number 5. Step 1, read. And step 2 is to draw till the concentration. So that's the final mixture now. So my first mixture is the 100 kilogram salt with 5%. 5% by weight. So 5% at the top, 100 kilograms. At the bottom, we subtract now. As I said before, if you see the word boiled to reduce water content or it evaporated, you subtract something. It did not say how much water we will subtract. Since it is water boiled, that means its salt content is 0. So you're subtracting the water that evaporated, not given, so X. Now, the resulting until the concentration, so that's an equal sign. Concentration, the percentage is 6%. The amount left is also unknown, so Y. We will do the top times bottom, percent times 100. And you put it on the first compartment, 5% times 100. Minus 0, because 0 times X is 0. Then that's 6% times Y. Then draw the equation. Put an ellipse. 5% times 100 is minus 0 is equal to 6% times Y. That's our equation 1. Then put an ellipse again. And that's another equation, 100 minus X. Step 4, solve. Equation 1, 500% is equal to 6% Y. And equation 2, 100 minus X is equal to Y. Isolate Y again, 100 minus X. Substitute again, 500% is equal to 6% times 100 minus X. 500% is equal to 600% minus 6% X. Then that's 100% is equal to 6% X. Divide all sides by 6%, we get 16.67 kilogram. Example problem number 6. So step 1, read. So draw. This mixture is, when it is in air, it's 15 ounce. It doesn't say how much gold or how much silver is in that particular alloy when it is in air. So those are variables, X and Y. We subtract, because it says here loses its weight when it is in water, right? So how much do we subtract? For silver, 1/10 of its original weight. So 1/10. Then for gold, it's 1/18. X there is for silver, Y there is for gold. And the volume or the mass, in this case, is not given. So we put a variable there, Z. The third mixture would be the alloy in water, right? And there's 14 ounces. The total weight of the alloy is 14 ounces when it is underwater. Undo the left to right, horizontal. The first row, X minus 110X is equal to, we put a variable there, A, that's 9/10 X, right? X minus 1/10. Then we put another ellipse, Y minus 1/18, that's 17/18Y. And the same is true for the third compartment. 15 minus Z is equal to 14, and should be Z is equal to 1. Draw the equation. We created two ellipses here, two vertical ellipses. Okay, equation 1 is X plus Y is equal to 15. Then equation 2 is 1/10 X plus 1/18 Y is equal to 1. It's all positive, there's no minus there. So another vertical, we just add that, 9/10 X plus 17/18 Y plus equals 14, equation 3. We have three equations, but we only have two variables. Equation 2 and equation 3 are redundant. We can use either of the two. So, step 4, solve. Equation 1, X plus Y is equal to 15. Isolate Y, Y is equal to 15 minus X. Equation 2, I use 110X plus 1/18 Y is equal to 1. And we substitute, that's supposed to be equation 1 to equation 2. So, just correct that. So 1/10 times X plus 1/18 times 15 minus X is equal to 1. Distribute the 1/18. So 1/10 X plus 15/18 minus 1/18 X is equal to 1. And further simplification led us to 1/10 minus 1/18. That's 2/45X. Is equal to 1/6. Okay, so this is 3.75 ounce. 5, and since X plus Y is equal to 15, X is 3.75, so 15 minus 3.75 should give me the other one, 11.25 ounce. That's now the solution to the problem. Hopefully I got it right. If I did it wrong, Please comment down below. And if you learned something in this video, I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you very much.